Yep.
Nope.
That's not the best idea.
That was it?
Nope.
Hey, you should probably move those fireworks farther apart.
You're good.
I don't think
Okay. Oh, that's my car on fire. That's all good. Yeah, get up, Ariel. Just jump up there.
No way!
Oh my goodness. The smoke is coming right at me. So I know which direction the firework will go if it decides to shoot in some direction. It will come right at me.
Yay, red, white, and blue.
Woo! America!
America.
America.
Separate them.
You don't think that's a little close to the other one? Okay. It's just blowing all the fireworks right on top of it. Oh, hang on, there's more. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my God, I'm like freaking out right now. Ah! Oh man,
That was a part, you crazy.
killing me. Where's the other one?
It's on the ground next to his foot.
Oh my gosh, are you gonna, you need to move them apart before I have a heart attack.
Yeah, he's gonna have a heart attack if you don't move them apart.
They're fine. I've been doing this forever.
Okay.
Don't die.
Ariel, shut up.
You mean.
Oh God, here we go. Oh, there's some pretty colors. Pretty colors.
That's cool.
Red, white, and blue everywhere.
Help, right?
Yes, I did. Oh, that's awesome. That's so freaking huge. Oh my God. Baby, you probably should like water that area down right now.
That was Mariel's.
Oh, that was Mariel's big silver thing.
Now here goes Bite My Tussie.
Oh my goodness. It's not going to get the mailbox, is it? Oh, here it goes.
Nothing's happening.
Just hang on. Ouch!
Man, if that didn't Bite My Tussie.
Good Lord. There's so many.
There's the grand finale.
Woo! That was awesome. That was awesome, baby.
And the first one off at
Bite my
scared me.
tushy. I like that.
Let's bite your tushy.